Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see governance logs of connected apps in Microsoft Defender for cloud apps. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal. So when you are at security.microsoft.com, please scroll down to cloud apps, and then under cloud apps you will see governance log. When you are on the governance log screen, this screen will enable you to control what users do across apps. For connected apps, you can apply governance actions to files or activities. Governance actions are integrated actions you can run on files or activities directly from Microsoft Defender for cloud apps. Governance actions control what your users do across connected apps. So there are some file governance governance actions which you can take for connected apps either on a specific file, user, or from a specific policy. So if I enable the advanced filter, you can select a filter. And it will show you if there is any suspended Microsoft Entra user, right? And the notifications can be in form of alerts, user email notification. You can only notify specific users. You can notify last file editor as well. And you can apply governance action in apps as well, which can be granular actions that can be enforced per app, or the specific actions vary depending on app terminology. You can apply labels through Microsoft Purview information protection. You can remove a label, you can change the sharing, you can remove public sharing, remove external users, you can make them private, remove a collaborator, reduce the public access, expire the shared link, and then change sharing link access level. And you can also put in user quarantine as well, or put in admin quarantine. So user quarantine will allow self-service by moving the file to a user-controlled quarantine folder, and then put in admin quarantine. The file is moved to quarantine in the admin drive, and the admin has to approve it. Then there are malware governance actions which are still in purview, which can be taken for connected apps either on a specific file, user, or from a specific policy, as I mentioned before. For security reasons, the actions are limited only to malware related actions that don't imply risk for the user or the tenant. And so this is the governance log screen, which displays all governance actions carried out. This will include actions performed by policies, manual action, or the account. And at last, I want to talk about governance log, which provides a status record of each task that you set Defender for cloud apps to run, including manual or the automatic task. These tasks include those you set in policies or the governance actions that we set on files and users, and any other actions we set Defender for cloud apps. Then there are some examples or the list of actions that Defender for cloud apps portal enables admins to take or the users to take. These actions are enabled in various places throughout the console as described in the location section. So location can be accounts, and the target object type can be a file, account, or account, and the governance actions can be to remove users collaboration, which will remove all the collaborations of a specific user for any files good for people leaving the company. Alright, and this section will provide the log for those specific governance actions that were taken on the type of file, account, or permissions, or the cloud discovery on the specific locations, which can be accounts activity, policy, or policy accounts, or the application dashboard, or application permissions. And if you want to read more about or practice more actions, then you can follow Microsoft documentation, and then after careful consideration you can implement that in your prod environment and see the governance log in action. Okay, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.